Yeah. We're putting slime over.
Oh my god!
Revenge? What are you?
He ruined our pool. It cost me $10,000. Ah! So $10 now. The sweatshirts are $20. Anthony, what are we in your life? Because I need to explain to you what is about to happen. Join the Everyday Bro movement.
Okay.
You know, we don't need your help.
Forget the duck.
Slime! Oh man, this is a. Let's make like a banana, a little pina colada, and just go. That could. Yo, did you see that slime over there?
Oh, shit!
The poison somebody.
I'm better sleeping on.
Movement. You know the merch is so fire, and so we cannot take loss.
Give yourself some of the hottest merch in the game. Go right.
Oh God! Everything about this operation has gone smoothly. Roll the clip. I did. The website's irrelevant. We just need more borax. Losses ever. We never lose. Ever. August 25th, boxing match. Hard this is going to be. On, give this video a big old thumbs up. It was an epic fail, but sometimes, guys, when you so that you can be notified when I post these videos, you don't want to miss out, bro. When you're not watching the Jake Paul vlogs, it is time to get revenge. Okay?
You should go and love yourself.
Damn, who came up with the concept for
That's slime.
I'm still not over it, guys. Like I will never
Sit in this.
Logan, if you're watching this, Andy wasn't here. It's all photoshopped. It's dump time.
Is that an epiphany?
Brad's yes.
Oh yeah, his answer was very.
Did you see it?
Did he clip?
Hey Justin, what do you think about the YouTuber Jake Paul? You think you'd be down to do a collaboration?
Mike's broke.
Oh no.
Oh my God. Hello? Like
In my house?
in my life, like the slime would not come out.
Wow.
He seems like he's down.
But I'm still alive.
Stirring sticks, containers, borax, glue, all sorts.
What?
Driving with Evan. Partner.
Oh.
SPP,
That's
bro.
what the SPP.
If these are your shoes, please DM me contact.
the bottom of bro?
Yo, chill.
You about to get popped!
In the pool.
Dude, it's so deep right here.
Oh, yeah.
Yo! You guys streaming right now, so he's gonna be completely distracted. That's why we do the Fortnite distraction game.
What's good? Long time no see. Yeah, I know. What are you guys doing?
Starting to smell like Logan Paul.
I think he's.
You look that much,
Oh, baby. Come on, keep it going. Keep it going. We've been waiting for this.
What are you guys doing?
Hey guys, you want?
I survived, yeah, I came to flex, they've been.
Sir,
How's it going?
are these your shoes?
What's up, bro? Yo, what's up, dude?
No progress. None. Nada. No progress at all. Ooh. Yo, I don't know how hard. Here's my SP. Oh, God. It came out faster than I was thinking.
I don't know what to do anymore, bro.
Literally made zero. No, we got ourselves some slime here. Stay up. Come on, get him in there.
He's not.
Get him in there.
They rap and sing and stuff like that. Have you ever heard of them?
You know the game is so separately. So I
Really fast. We have to do one more thing.
That's actually a pretty good deal.
It is a good day. Grab yourself some of the hottest merch. You ruined my whole entire pool, and guys, you know how we do it. You know the Everyday Bro. Welcome to the most lit YouTube. Turn your post notifications. Please.
Join the Everyday Bro movement.
Chad Tepper that subscribe button. Turn on my post notifications right now. Okay. Guys, did you see that they asked Justin Bieber?
We need, buddy.
More borax.
Jesus. Because I don't know what.
Nathan, what did
Did they tell you to leave?
Something like that, yeah.
For sure.
We must be getting close because it's.
what the in our vocabulary? And so,
Oh, yo, the bottom.
Alright, dope.
you're down?
I'm down.
All right, let's go. Do you know what an SPB is? Get up! What are you guys? Could have been me, but Logan. By the way, Logan. Oh my God.
That was the wrong.
Oh God, no! Hey! Oh my God! Partner, okay? We're probably gonna need to go to the store. I'm gonna need an SPP, bro.
Hey, get off my friend!
Slay! Slay, Sonny!
It was so good.
Guys, if you want, for sure seems like he's
Yeah,
down.
it definitely seems like he's
He
down.
seemed really. I found them on the side of the road. Are these your shoes? I don't know if you can see. They wanted to be on Team 10, and so I told them if they clean the pool, then I'll put them on to Team 10. So they tried to. Whose side are you on? Take me up. Fail. You just got to come back better, and that's what we're gonna do tomorrow. So I will see you then because it's every day, bro. I think Disney made that one. Rest in peace. Yo. Cool. No! 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 Get the duct tape. No!
You kind of came.
Twerk it! Stop twerking!
We're pranking Logan Paul.
Twerk!
Don't cause a scene.
On my own, 'cause if you like.
In my own pool. Yo, more like a cottage cheese, super healthy.
Yes.
When Kong vom
$15 t-shirts.
$10 t-shirt.
That was like a year and a half ago.
I'm still pissed.
Don't tell Logan that I.
YouTuber.
Yeah. Oh man, you're really missing out. Like, here's an example of one thing. If you'd ever collaborate with me, the problem. Basically, 9 months ago. No! Grab it, grab it, grab it. It's in the game. It's waterproof. It's slime proof. Chad, tap that subscribe button. It's like this. It's about to go down. My idea is, you come think you can huck in my house. I do. Enough slime. Like, I have this box too, but like, yo, a big old thumbs up. Yo, stop. Five, man. Feels good. A pair of shoes. No! No! Notifications. Click that little button right there. And yo, give this video.
That's the Fortnite distraction. It doesn't look like it's coming together at all.
You're supposed to be my SPP, bro. Hey!
Yeah, well, I didn't know what the f***ing SPP was until we got here, and
Listen, no.
People and
For sale?
No.
backslash.
And the website's irrelevant. Well, I'm like an evil witch. It just glue. I'm just kidding. Biggest problems that I've ever had.
The Fortnite distraction.
He has no idea.
We're just, just.
Can this video get 300,000 likes? Yo, smash that like button right now, guys.
No.
Alright. Cool, dumb vlogs.
I think we're supposed to put the food coloring in this.
And that's fun, Mike.
Cool. So.
We f***ed up your car because it's bro, you didn't have to. KSI versus Denver. On the way here, I actually found these shoes. Yo, real bro. The word loss is not.
Fun, but
This is slime, bro.
or
It's science.
whatever. So whatever's
It's
making
science.
it green.
Hey, now. Say what? Seemed really happy there.
They gotta die out eventually. I cannot give you the rest.
Turn on your post. Sir, we need to find the shoes. God damn it. Damn it! Guys, I'm still determined to. He decided to come to my house one day and dump a ton of slime. This moment forever for quite the time, and it is time. It is here. Put your vlog belts back, me, and I will turn them to you. Otherwise, I'm wearing these bitches on the red carpet. Get them in there. I'm like a beach seal. Look at my bio. Shout out to Sunny. Guys, we made it to the store. Logan Paul.
You should go and love yourself.
Guys, we have a problem. This is not I'm not even training, but I'm not gonna lose.
It's my property.
Oh.
I'm gonna call it.
I smell like poop. That was such a bad prank. Whoa! Feels good to be alive. Pete, he's an athlete. Yo, you're doing good back there. Here is the thing. Food coloring, green food coloring, okay?
We're definitely not in the right.
I'm waving. Clean. To slime my brother's car. What do I do with this? Look at him. Just gaming away. Hear the full thing, go to the link. Definitely need more slime. Good morning, Jake Paulers. What is Gucci? That one, you really hit it out of the park. I felt no chance in Anthony. Like, I'm going to cover his whole entire car. Some automobile. Also, okay, it's slippery and okay. A little bit.
Are you sure about that?
No, really.
Versus Deji is so that in situations like this we don't get distracted. Never. But since we are going to the store, you know what that means.
YouTubers right now. And
Not to be confused with Borat.
Don't say anything. Don't say a word.
Kong, you want to go swimming?
hell no.
Or the Lorax, by the way.
What the f are you doing?
What? Logan Paul, Logan Paul. Go /super sale. The guy's the t-shirt. Let's go. Get in the car, dude.
What's an SPP?
I'll explain in a second. Slime. What do you do? Chill. Everyone chill. For Logan Paul's car. I'm coming for you, Nathan.
I have a website up. I'm reading
MX
about
plus
it.
B
Is it
squared.
fanjoy.com/super stuff, guys? Yo, let's make like a banana and dip. How are we doing? We need more than 2 more help. I went to the wrong side, and he didn't help Logan. Channel on YouTube. Welcome to the most viewed vlog channel on YouTube, guys. Enough of that. We need
Subscribe button and join the most lit YouTube channel on YouTube. I'll see y'all tomorrow.
I'm going to make my point.
Came up off of YouTube. You're like the original, like biggest.
Coming up, guys, like
Get distracted.
it's all about focus.
Tape.
We could use help.
We kind of could.
Do you know anything about science? Oh,
I know a lot. What is the
Good start, but we're gonna. You have the right to buy Fanjoy merch. Hey, stop what you're doing right now. Stop! Pause everything of the pool. So Chance and Anthony, dip! Oh my God! Dip!
That smells so bad. Like, it smells like.
That was fun.
Yeah, it was a good time, man.
just help you guys?
Yo, there's a lot of slime. I need an SPP, bro.
You need an SPP.
No, damn it. Oh, God.
Figured it was all right. It
What?
might have been their shoes. What if it was their,
Oh, the green.
their shoes?
Bro. Oh, subscribe. Is it working? Got the supplies. What up in slime? And if you haven't gotten your merch yet, go to fanjoy.com.
With him. He's like one of the biggest.
SPP, it's a slime prank. No, yeah, no, he's the blood shark.
Oh, whoa.
Really clearly, Jake.
That's what you're throwing on my car right now. Yeah. Take it back.
I'm trying to kick back summer vibes.
Really? Like,
Interested in it?
Yeah, happy.
Yeah, you.
Look at him, just gaming away.
You come think you can huck in my.
Not the red digital camo. Out of here. Dope vlogs.
Smells so.
I was left with a pool that was completely destroyed. I couldn't even lounge. I'm talking about science, guys. We're making slime, okay? Find the owner of these shoes. Someone lost their shoes, damn it. Sir. Yeah, see it there. With
Oh wow.
oh my God, the Logan Paul. Basically, I got him into my pool.
What are you doing?
Whoa.
That's a cuss. Oh, stop. Stop. Yo, what are you doing?
It's a slime prank. It's like,
No. Oh, stop. Oh, what the?
everyone stop. We need to join. We need to band together. Let's go ask him. I basically have a pair of shoes here. I'm out by your cameras.
Can you please get off?
Get ready because we are going to get revenge on Mr. Yo. Come on, buddy. Before we do that though, I need an SPP. You're probably wondering, Jake, what's an
Right now, because the Jake Paulers sell everything out. And smash that subscribe.
What happened? Oh my God.
Let's
No, these are bad. If you drop these, it's bad. Jesus. It's going really fast.
Nathan, I can't do this by myself. There's not water, bro. You're just missing out on just like really fun moments like that. So, great film, by the way. Come on! What is that? Like, come on, dude. And split.
Who gon' tell the truth? Who gon' tell me lies? I feel traumatized, demons creeping.
He has no idea.
Like him and his brother Logan Paul are really big YouTubers.
Enough slime. Someone dropped the ball, man. They were supposed to get me a lot of slime, and this is not. All right, Anthony, being my SPP, we need borax, glue, and farted. Oh my God. Roll the.
thought it was split. Yeah, split.
Oh, to be alive.
Cool.
Slime prank. What do we need, huh?
Borat.
I think we somehow messed this up.
Yeah, you listened to my instructions.
Yes, Sonny! I think it's starting to come together. All of this like slime here, guys. I'm gonna see if I can sneak in there and see. Never forget that. That was one of the big, definitely not. Bro, chill. Bro, chill. What are you doing, bro? Chill.